Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome back to the channel. This is a video on how to detach a file from the receipt. It's very important concept I would like to touch upon today, and I am thankful to one of my subscriber who has asked this question. While we are attaching files to receipts, first let us understand the concept. What does it mean of attaching a file to the receipt? Now we all know receipts are papers which are being moved from Eoffice from one login to the other, from one person to the other. Like it's a normal paper, like in hard we move, say for example an office order. I give an office order to my senior. So movement in hard copy means I take the office order in my hand, I go to my senior and I give it to the senior's place. And this movement in e-office will mean that I make a receipt of the paper which comes to me in hard form. I put it, insert it into the e-office, and then I move that. I send that paper, which is called now receipt, to my boss or any person other to the other login in e-office. Right? This is movement of receipt. Now sometimes when we are moving a paper that is called a receipt in e-office or a normal paper outside e-office which is in hard form, we have to attach some papers into it along with that paper, or we also have to attach some file. For example, there is an office order, say transfer of ex-employee to the other state. So that paper, if I have to move that paper of an office order of transferring of employee, maybe I have to attach a personal file of that particular employee, ex-employee, along with that office order and give it to my boss. So that personal file may be in the form of e-file in e-office. So in e-office, the situation is called that with that receipt, we have to attach a file. Like I took a paper in my hand, and then with that paper, I am attaching a file below that paper in hard copy, and the receipt along with the file is being sent to my boss now, or the other login. Now whoever is the other person to whom that receipt is achieved, that person will open, when the person will open the receipt, he will also have a file attached to it which can be viewed. Of course there will be some purpose because of which that file has been attached with the receipt. Now attaching the file with the receipt is a question, and the other question is how to detach that file which has already been attached. Now this is the question which one of my subscriber has asked. So we'll start with it, and without taking much time. This was the concept part. First we'll make a receipt, we'll make a file, and then we'll attach a file with the receipt and then detach it, right? So let's go ahead. So this is my login, my office login. I'll go to file management system. So the first step I'll do is I will create a receipt. So I'll go to receipts, browse and diarize. Everybody knows there might be some paper in the PDF form. I'll go to upload file, say this is my paper test. This is my paper which has to be inserted into the e-file. Abhi, right now this paper is in my desktop, but now I am making a receipt, means I am inserting this paper into the e-office system, right? So from my desktop it will be inserted into e-office. So I'll just diarize this. Diarize means putting major entries. Say for example I put, okay, I have received by email, language is the English, corresponding type is let it be letter. I choose ministry. Okay, the basic things I'll use Komal Gandhi, and then I'll put my designation, random, anything we can put, and I put my address, my organization's name, and then I go to category. I choose as general, and subject I write, it's a test file, so I write test receipt as the name, test receipt. Okay, and I will click on generate. So when I click on generate, this this receipt will be immediately generated. See, the receipt number is here, the file is being the receipt is being generated. Now let me attach a file to this receipt. One question, quick immediate question, where will I see this? If I go back to receipt, where is my receipt gone? The receipt is inside the file created. Like I have created this receipt, so it will be here. If somebody else has sent me to in my inbox, it will be in my inbox. It will be found here, right now I don't have any thing in my inbox, so I'll go back to to create it. So I'll see this is my receipt which has been created as general this is the date right now, as the query has been asked in Eoffice right now, so I'm making this video. Next is how to attach a file. Next step. So you open that receipt, you go to attach file, and then this system will ask, a pop-up will come up as to which file you need to attach. Say for example, I need to attach this file, test file. You can see it here. I click on this. It's year wise sorted, so maybe you have some other file which is of 2021 or 20, or even before that. You can choose the year and select the file. So I need to choose this file only. It is of 2022, so I'll click on it, select, and click on attach file. So it will ask me a remark, attach file remark, which this is mandatory to provide the reason for attaching this file, because now this file, once this file is attached from from my inbox or wherever it is to the kindly note, only the files which are in the inbox will be attached. So now this file from the inbox will move and get attached to the receipt. So I'll give the reason to it. Say test learning is what I give. Okay. The moment I put OK, this file will be attached. You can see it here. See, this is the attached file history. This is the file which is being attached. And if I want to remove it right very moment, okay, if I have to remove it right very moment, I'll go to this button. It will say detach file. This is for detaching this file. But say for example, I do not want to detach it right now. I have this receipt and I just do some other work. Maybe I go to file. Let me check where is my file, test file. Inbox may it should not be appearing. It's not here. Let me go back to my receipt and see where is my file. So this is the receipt. It was created by me, and now I am being shown this button which shows that there is some attachment to this particular receipt. So there is an attachment to this particular receipt. How to see that now? How to open that and view? See, once you click on the receipt, you will find the entire receipt in the edit mode and you can edit it. See, you can edit, but where is the file gone? Point is, where is my file? What you have to do is, it's very simple process. Go to this receipt, can be sent to anyone, so there are send options. You can send it to XYZ, any person there now. But my point is, no, I don't want to send it. I'll go back, I'll go to my receipt, I'll find out where my receipt it wasn't created, and now this is a receipt. It's very simple. You just go to details, right? If you go to details, you'll find the details of the receipt, and here you can find in the details the option. Once I click on this, it will again ask me a reason, detach file remarks. Why do you want to detach? So I'll put test detaching as the reason and click on OK. The moment I click on OK, you can see there is no file. It is giving me detached file history, that this was the file which has been attached and then detached. This can also be viewed in the movements of the file. See, in the receipt, sorry. It's not right now it's not visible. Once you move the receipt from one person to the other, you'll be able to see it in the movement as well. So I go back to the receipts now. Question: where is my file now which has been detached? I have detached the file from the receipt. Where it will go? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It will go back to my inbox. See, inbox, and you'll see this file, test file has arrived here. So it has been detached. If you go, let's open this file and see the history. See, it's showing note 1 as blank. That means this is showing a comment that this file has moved once. In the green note, it is showing it has moved once. How it has moved? It has not moved for approval, but it was just moved from the inbox and attached to a particular receipt. So this particular noting is coming. Let's see the movement of this file. See what it is showing. File movement history, sender is Komal Gandhi, sent to this, and back. That means the file has been sent once, right? So this is the history which is coming. So I go back to my receipt and see where is my receipt. The file is in inbox that we have seen. I'll go to my receipt, I'll go to my created file and check whether my, see, now I'm not getting that attachment link or the icon here. That means there is no attachment. So I hope I was able to explain how to detach a receipt from detach a file from the receipt. If you have any other query in Eoffice, just put in the comment box. I'll be very happy and delighted to help my subscribers on this particular front. And please, 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 if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. This will motivate me to further make videos, and your love and affection will, help me in growing the channel and learning better. I have even more videos on my channel for Masti Maza. I make travel vlogs. So if you're interested, just go to my channel and explore more learnings and Masti Maza. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you.